This is for my curly girls. And you don't smack to have curls this winter, because you know it's not just about washing and going. It's about washing, adding product, and more product, and more product, and more product, and more product, and then drying the hair. And who smack for that in winter? You just want to wash, dry, and go. Let's see if this one is going to work for us. Now, I've never used this in my life before. It's always, I'm old school. I blow dry my hair and then I iron my hair. And finally, this is an award-winning blowout brush. So many times I've seen these kind of brushes, like super scary, blowing out, fusing. It's happened to friends of mine and I'm just like, no thank you. So I stick to the blow dry and the hair iron. So I decided to get this and see if it's going to make my life easier. For the curly girls, let's see if I can get this boss straight. Now, my first impression about this thing is it's huge. Am I going to be able to, twirl? I also want that volume blowout. I can't always do it on myself. So I always go out and have my hair blow dried and get a volume blow dry. But let's see what this bad boy can do. So first of all, I went in and I brushed my hair, detangled it, and then sectioned it. It was a bit tricky in the beginning to start off with the blow dry brush. Eventually, I got the knack of it. Took me a little bit of time to figure it out because the brush is quite big to hold at the bottom. Eventually, I realized that I needed to take my hair, wrap it around from the root, and just pull. The crazy thing about this blow dry brush is that it's really easy. I didn't think that it would be so easy for me to work with. I actually really loved how smooth this went and how quick it went. It didn't take me much time. It saved me so much time and effort. My arms weren't sore once I was done with it. And look at that beautiful little curl at the bottom of my hair. One thing about me as a curly girl, I always struggle with getting to my roots, and this thing was amazing. My last piece that I did, my front pieces are always my most favorite to do because I always want that little swoosh that I can't get on my own. But this little gadget here, girl, she's impressed me so much. I am absolutely obsessed. Also, the amount of shine that I'm getting out of this blow dry, I am shook. I'm shook to the core because I usually only get it once I use my hair iron. And look at that, even the roots are rooting. Just going in with a little bit of a volume wave over here. Look at my hair, man. I am obsessed. How is this possible when it's only the Magnitude Blowout Brush? Come on, guys. You cannot be sleeping on this product. How shiny is my hair? Shining. No hair iron, no blow dry. Just the Magnitude Blowout Brush. Can we have a moment? This must have to get done now. For all my curly girls, if you got curly and you struggle to blow dry your hair, it's a blow dry and an iron. Let me plug you something, girl. Now this is definitely something that you need to purchase. 37 minutes. And look at all that volume. Got to my roots. I will most probably use the Moyoko hair iron just to touch up my roots. But girl, I'm here for the blowout. And I thank you. This volumized blowout. And I thank you.